Hi kids, I'm Chief Haida with Esquimalt Fire Rescue, and we're here today to help you learn the sounds of fire safety. Why? Because we want you to be safe. Isn't that right, Sparky? Alright, let's get started.
Hi, I'm Firefighter David. I'm here today to teach you about smoke alarms. And I've invited my friend, special guest, Sparky. Come on over. Have you seen a smoke alarm before? Put up your hand if you've seen a smoke alarm before. Alright, for those who haven't seen a smoke alarm before, this is what it looks like. Sparky, did you know a smoke alarm smells smoke and lets you know with loud noises when there's fire? Kids, do you know what a smoke alarm sounds like? Sparky, would you like to hear what a smoke alarm sounds like? It's pretty loud, so you might want to cover your ears. Kids, the sound of a smoke alarm can be scary, but it is a sound of safety. When you hear the smoke alarm, get out and stay out.
Hi kids, I'm Firefighter Reed, and I'm here today to teach you what to do when you hear a smoke alarm. And we have our special guest, Sparky the fire dog, to help us out. Today we're going to practice what to do when you hear a smoke alarm, and Sparky's going to help us. Sparky, do you know what to do when you hear a smoke alarm?
Hi, I'm Captain Kevin, and I'm here to help teach you guys what we do when we respond to a call where you need help. At the fire station, throughout the day, we have lots of things that we do when we're not responding to emergencies. We do fitness in working out at the gym. We do truck checks, making sure all of our equipment is ready to go and everything has fuel in it. We have multiple different things we do for training, which is basically the practice that we do before we come to help you guys. And whatever we're doing at the time, when we hear our noise of fire safety, we stop and we respond to come and help. Kids, these are the noises that we hear when we get called to come and help you. Just like Sparky, we would like you to arrive at your meeting place safe and unhurt. So it's important that when you hear the alarms go off, you get outside to your meeting place if you can. And when you get there, it's important to stay there so that we can find you when we arrive. And when you get out, stay out. Do not go back into the home for any reason whatsoever.
Hi kids, I'm Firefighter Reed, and I'm here to teach you what we sound like when we are wearing all of our safety gear. We have to wear a lot of safety gear, and because of this, we may sound funny and look scary. But there is no reason to be scared, because we are also the sound of fire safety. Hey kids, can you hear that sound? It might sound a little scary, but it's just the sound of the air so that I can breathe in the fire. Hey kids, we just want you to know what we look and sound like so that you know that we're still your friends. Right, Sparky?
Thanks so much for watching our fire safety video. We hope you had fun. And most importantly, we hope you learned about the sounds of fire safety. Excellent. Yes, Sparky, that's a great idea. Kids, now it's time to test what you've learned.